Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Mumbara 14 here, and you might like in this video, well today, you might notice something that we are not gonna do episode 4 of Easter eggs. Well, actually, we will be, changing, so today, you see, the settings, the theme, the icon shape, language, icon visual effects, snapshot preview, and the timeline. And also here, Android 17 cinnamon bun is here already, but unfortunately the Easter egg won't come out very early. Other Easter eggs like in 2024 we had Android 15, but so the Easter egg came out early, but the Easter egg will come out August 2026. Okay, so you see this rocket launcher, the Easter egg of the. So we're gonna use Android 4.0 as my desktop. So you see this wallpaper, which I really like on my phone. Yeah, it's kind of cool. So yeah, I'm gonna change it later when I end my recording. Alrighty, so let's just search up Android. Okay. What about images? Is there any wallpaper? Sorry if it's not loading.
En die man zal ik je vaak zeggen, moet je zo aanbrengen.
Okay, so I need a wallpaper actually, to be honest. Why is there a maze? Wait, actually, what's a maze? This is kind of sus. Wait, hold up. If we go in our gallery, you will see something, yeah, I still have this wallpaper, you just consider as home screen for now because I do not want my whole phone to be a flippin' Android ice cream sandwich. Yeah, I don't want that, bro. Okay, and we need to change the theme though, and I'm gonna change my original theme and then I'll put my old wallpaper back that I actually liked. So let's go to theme. Oh yeah, and when you go to wallpapers or theme and DY, actually if you, yeah, this D die DIY actually change your your wallpaper, and yeah. I like the ultra dark mode because it gives me vibes. I need something like that's what's Android ice cream sandwich. Okay, so for now. Like a good one. Like I need like a good one, bro. In like a nature ones. Oh wait, hold up. Wait, it's actually fits Android wait. To be honest, guys, to be honest, this does actually fit with Android ice cream sandwich. I'm just being honest, eh? 58 meg, okay. Okay, I'm applying this. But I'm not gonna add. You know what? Screw it. It's gonna change it just. I don't want the default wallpaper. Okay, so we already got games here as my default. Okay, I do not like default because it actually looks more disgusting. So, yeah. Oh yeah, I really don't play Snake IO because it's kind of laggy. To be honest, I really don't play it anymore. I don't play Easter eggs. I mean, okay. I mean, like, it's alright, but no, but yeah, let's just go see if YouTube's working.
Son of a! Who spent 270?
Okay.
Son of a! Who
One,
spent
two, okay.
$217 on pizza? Son of a!
Okay, let me switch to. I already know this.
Are you a fan of Spider-Man?
Here's how you make my super easy two-ingredient, low-calorie, no bake, no refrigerate, no flour, no sugar, no gluten, no egg, no
Guys.
carb, no fat, no woman, no cry, no beans, no greens, no potatoes, no tomatoes, no lambs, no rams, no hogs, no dogs, no chicken, no turkeys, no... Here's how you make...
Miss Rabbit has fainted. Miss Rabbit has fainted again. Miss Rabbit has fainted. Miss Rabbit has fainted again. Miss Rabbit has fainted.
Do you want to play Poppy
No. Only if I get the new. Only if my dad sets up my PC.
Have you seen this video?
I just don't care. Bro, what's wrong with my Wi-Fi, bro? Okay, I mean like YouTube is alright, but I just don't like the default thing. Scott is my wait. Theo. My son name is Scott. Yeah.
Stick your hand in extremely hot water for a split second.
Nah, I can't even feel pain.
Stick your hand in extremely hot water for a split second.
Think we can be enriched? What if?
Okay. Okay, I think that's it. Wait, what does okay, looks default as my original phone. I had no themes like this. Okay, let's go to these eggs. Can I install? Oh wait, let me check this out quickly. Oh, I still see the Nyan Cat. Okay, still works. Okay, I think that's it for now. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video.